Hey everyone, I just checked into the Domaine Château-Bromont. I know I'm probably saying that wrong, but I wanted to give you a look around. We are in Quebec, or outside of Quebec City, and this room has such a cool energy. Check this out. You got the pool here, you got the ski slopes, all the views. We've got the bed down here, king size bed, chair, flat screen work area. I'll show you upstairs in just a second. There's a mini fridge. There's a safe up here. And then spin you around, really great bathroom, walk-in shower, which is always appreciative, especially if you've been skiing all day. Really great shower. We heard there's a fantastic spa here. And then we're gonna go up the spiral staircase. Doot, doot, doot. You better look at the room. Check out this chandelier lamp. It's massive. And we come around and there's a queen size bed upstairs with its own flat screen and space. Just beautiful. We just went on a 2-mile hike close to here in a park. Just a really gorgeous area of Quebec. Make sure to check out Tammy Lee Tips for more information on this amazing trip through Quebec all the way to Montreal.